Mad Dog margaritas and not caring where you are.
Alright, this is what showed up. 1947 Ford. Barn find. No motor. One of the front wheels is locked up, doesn't roll. Hasn't been titled since 1986 by the looks of that. No motor, but there's a transmission. Spare tire. It stinks really bad, like mice. But you can see solid. Little surface rust. There's a bug colony of some type in that. Most of the trim and whatnot is here too. A little bit of surface rust. Nothing all the way through anywhere though. It's in real good shape in that regard. That's getting close. Somebody's gone at the front end with primer. You see a little rust coming back through. Clean door panels. Trim stinks really bad. I think the mice have been living in here for 20 years. Nothing much under there. Somebody's put a new panel in the floor there. By the looks of it, maybe that's original. Got the original keys in there. 14,600 miles. Don't know if it's been rolled. A lot of mouse shit. Not too shabby. This is how it showed up. Cracked up window. Door's not lining up. A little bit of crack there. Frame's rusted but solid. Thing's clearly leaking. That's what I got. Step one of this project is remodel the garage so I have a place to put it and work on it over here. Should be done shortly.
I was